Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will learn list in ReactJS. The basic list component, how we need to write for the code for that group of list components, and how we will present at UI place. Usually, you would render list inside a component on ReactJS. We can refactor the previous examples also, we have that. And let's see, in a function I'm declaring as number list with the probe. The const element, the numbers, numbers. Keenly observe that spellings, if it is any case sensitive numbers. The const list item, the list items may require many places for either web applications or apps and all. There is a clear that map predefined function is available to that array values or within the loop values to map. The default map function will mapping such things and will present to you on our display as UI. Within the map we need to write number. It implies the arrow. Here we need to write that list item. You know that UI and LI for the representation of the showing the data of list items. Number, terminator of LI tag. Okay, stop. Terminator. Now here we need to give in the values, that is the const numbers. What we will take it as equal to braces, the braces 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is sufficient. Okay, render dot react dom dot render and numbers list. This is the function name where we have to call it as here numbers that equal to the numbers, yes, comma get element by id. Here it is, the line is terminator is required. It should come now. It's S is missing items somewhere else. The simple keywords, number list, const numbers, probes dot numbers. Let me check. It's equal to is here, and we need to take return, that function return. You have to write that return here. Return of where we can take the return UI, the code of list items. UI close. Right. list items. Check. Yeah, here it's a message as an added as S. I remove this. Now see here the output 1 2 3 4 5 based on our array constant declared over here, it is displayed the list as we require and as we defined. It may be data presented over there. For this we need to assign a similarly here we need to printing in a list item. For better handling, we need to assign a key to our list item inside the numbers.map, the function where we have used default function. For fixing this key to handling properly and misusing the key and the values, it's very simple. Within the list we need to write that key equal to, taken a declaration of React code, number dot to string function. That's it. Move on. See here 1 2 3 4 5 with the dotted, in sense UI li items will gives you a provision to display. Those who are familiar with that HTML and JavaScript, they will better understand this concept. I hope you better understand this session. Please subscribe, like, share and comment for more videos and sessions. Comment your views for upgrading to our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.